Hey everyone, and welcome back to Shib. Shibarium just went crazy, which is crazy. What the big news about the Shiba Inu coin is. The day began with a terrible event. Shiba Inu prices have been going up again for the past few weeks. The price was slowly going up, but today the token price crashed and added an extra zero. We don't know what went wrong, but this can't make the Shib team and army sad because the crypto market as a whole is having a bad day. We'll talk about Shibarium just went crazy in this movie. A Shiba Inu coin is big news. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Share and subscribe to see our newest videos about expert analysis and Shiba Inu price estimates. Let's start the video right away. Shiba News layer to answer Shibarium was made by the Unification Foundation today. The Unification team wrote a long post on their Medium blog about Shibarium and other projects they are working on. Because of the post, the Shibarium private alpha testnet was started a few weeks ago and is working well, which was made public at the moment. The team is putting most of their time and work into making the internal Shibarium wallet. According to the creators, the wallet is meant to be an all-in-one app that can stake between Layer 1 and Layer 2. In the future, shibaswap will also be added to it. Shibarium has taken a long time to make because it has to be built on a solid and proven foundation. By the third quarter of 2022, Shibarium should be ready for public beta testing. They say that the Shibarium public beta testnet will finally let users and developers try and evaluate the project, which will include the validation process. Shibaswap needed a governing token, which is what made Bond possible. People in the community made the token so that members could vote on ideas. It is also written in the plan that the Bone token will be used as the platform's fuel. This gas will give smart contracts and transactions the power they need to be processed and carried out. The Shibarium protocol would use Bone to make deals easier to pay for. Also, people who check that the protocol works would get Bone tokens as a prize. These tokens would be based on how many tokens each validator staked at the start. Data from CoinGecko shows that the price of Bone has gone down since July 7, 2021, when it hit an all-time high of $15.50. At press time, the price was $477,460.03. Since it hit its all-time high, the token has lost 95% of its value. The value of the Bone token on the market was $35,431,478. Even though the Shib metaverse was launched, many of the tokens in the Shiba Inu community did not make any money. One example is that the price of leash tokens has dropped by 62% since the start of the public sale of land on its Shiba metaverse. It has also lost 87% of its values since its all-time high of $88.40 8 months ago. A few weeks ago, Satoshi Kusama, one of the main people working on the Shiba Inu project, suggested that Shibarium might be released soon after fans and holders took to social networks to demand more information and explanations about the project. Since there are a lot of ships out there, Shibarium is an event that is worth waiting for because it has the most useful uses right now and a large group of involved fans. It could change things for Shiba and US. Switcheroo, a cryptocurrency market based in Estonia, might be the first place in the world to list Shiba Inu, Leash, and Bone all at the same time. For Rajat only a source close to the project said that Switcheroo might add Shib, Bone, and Leash all at once. By the end of the month, Switcheroo was going to soon say that the whole Shiba Inu ecosystem would be available on its website. Shiba Inu was released in August 2020 and is now listed on several cryptocurrency exchanges around the world. A lot of different platforms have added the dark theme token, which means that users can trade the cryptocurrency. Over 120 crypto platforms have already added Shiba Inu to their lists. Shiba Inu can be bought and sold on different markets, but Bone and Leash, Cat Bone and Leash might be able to get more backers if they are listed on. Switching. Most investors didn't buy Bone or Leash because getting them on required a lot of work. Let's look at how the Dogecoin did last week. The 7-day returns for Shiba Inu and Dogecoin were the best. Bitcoin and other big cryptocurrencies broke through resistance and then leveled off over the weekend. The website Whale Stats lists the 100 biggest wallets on Ethereum, the SEC, and other blockchain. It says that Shiba Inu is still the biggest whale-owning base tokens by US dollar volume. The second biggest meme cryptocurrency is the most valuable thing they own. These people have $558,818,957 invested in Shiba Inu US. That's 51,127,077,493,138 worth of tokens, and 14.99% of their whales hold $384,780,192 worth of these tokens, according to their website. That's 10.32% of their whole collection. Next is Lust. And then comes Shiba's usual rival tokens in fifth place with $366,038,115 worth of FTT. That makes up 9.82% of Whale's stock. Shiba Inu's value dropped when Elon Musk stopped supporting it, but then some other big investors bought it back, starting a rally for help. But it looks like the recovery will not last long, because bulls couldn't help but take profits, which caused a drop in prices that made even more bulls sell their stocks out of fear that the trade would fail completely. It's important to remember that the global markets are still very shaky, and the crash could happen at any time, thanks to actions taken by central bankers. Meme coins did better than the market as a whole. For example, Shib gains of over 40% and Dogecoin's Doge tokens went up more than 30% during that time. Doge fell 7.4% and Shib dropped 6%. Last week, she hit a low point of $0.80 and went as high as $0.11 on Sunday. Doge, on the other hand, jumped from a low point of $0.05 to over $0.07. According to statistics from Coinbase, this kind of price action caused futures that track the two tokens to lose millions of dollars in liquidation. Some people who watched said that the gains might have been caused by deeper issues. Adam O'Neill, CMO at crypto exchange Bitrue, said in an email that the coming Shibarium protocol is the main reason for SEB's meant-to-work rise. A big part of this move also comes from the Shib token that has been burned after reaching 400 trillion goals. The price of an altcoin called Shiba Inu seemed to go up a few times in 2021 after Musk shared pictures of his Shiba Inu puppy on Twitter. Over and over again as of late, when Elon Musk wrote that he would continue to back Dogecoin, the price went up a lot, which helped Doge stay alive during the crypto bloodbath. Some of the most important financial and economic leaders and thinkers in the world get together at the Kara Economic Forum, which is a big event. Support for the Shiba Inu-themed joke coin from Musk had a big effect on people who own both Dogecoin and Shiba in US. Shiba is getting more Doge because Elon Musk talked about joke coins. People think that meme coins will be the way of the future. That's all for today. Make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our station to see our newest videos.